Tired of the endless back and forth when trying to finance a new car? If you're a Regions Bank customer or considering becoming one, their auto loan options might be the smooth ride you're looking for. But what exactly is the process, and what do you need to qualify? We're diving into the Regions Bank auto loan process and requirements to give you the clear-cut facts, so you can walk into that dealership ready to drive off the lot. Regions offers loans for new and used vehicles, as well as refinancing options. A key feature is the relationship factor. While they serve non-customers, a big advantage for their auto loans is having an existing Regions deposit account, like a checking or savings account, that has been open for at least 6 months. This is often a fundamental step in the eligibility process, so check that box first. Once you've confirmed your deposit relationship, the process generally starts with the application. You can apply online, over the phone, or in a branch. Regions aims for a fast credit decision, often within 1 business day, which is great for moving quickly on a car purchase. Getting pre-approved is a smart move here, as it gives you a clear budget before you start shopping. Now, let's talk about the requirements. Like any lender, Regions will look at your financial profile, including your credit score, credit history, and debt-to-income ratio. A stronger credit profile generally leads to a lower interest rate. For the application itself, you'll need some standard documents and information. Be ready with your social security number, driver's license, and personal contact info. You'll also need proof of employment and income, which typically means recent pay stubs or tax returns, and proof of residence. If you are buying a used car, pay close attention to vehicle requirements. Regions generally has a limit on the age and mileage of the used vehicle you can finance. For example, the vehicle may need to be no more than 7 years old and have fewer than 90,000 miles. Always confirm the exact limits for your purchase. One final note on the paperwork: you'll need proof of insurance for the vehicle before finalizing the loan. If approved, you can sometimes receive your funds quickly, especially if you close the loan in a branch. In short, a solid Regions deposit relationship, a good credit profile, and having all your identification and income documents ready are the 3 lanes to a smooth auto loan with Regions Bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.